pink hair! Pink hair. I have pink hair. I wanted this so badly, and I was stalking people who had it, and you know how that goes, and I was on Instagram, and I was just like, I got it in my mind that I had to have pink hair, and I was not backing down. However, it's pretty pricey to get pink hair, and I've also had some bad experiences at salons before because I have dyed my hair black, and I went to the salon before to get them to like lift my color or whatever, and literally spent half a day there, and my roots were just like bright orange and nothing changed on the rest of my hair. So I dove into YouTube, did a bunch of research, and I came across this product called Color Oops, and I decided to give that a go. Actually, a couple of years ago when I did some purple in my hair, but I just did like the front, and that stuff worked really well at lifting the box dyed black that I had used, and I not just once dyed my hair black, but like a couple different times. So that stuff worked really well a couple years ago, and so I decided to use that this time around too. And I was really glad I did because it worked like a charm. So if you have like thicker hair, longer hair, I would definitely get 2 boxes. Okay, first things first, you're going to get your supplies. I have the little list here, all the stuff that you need. Alright, so the first in the bathroom step is getting the mixture on your head of the Color Oops, and then you are going to make sure you fully saturate every strand of hair, and then you're going to put a plastic wrap up and wait 20 minutes. After 20 minutes has gone by, you are going to rinse your hair, and I mean rinse it like you've never rinsed it before and for longer than you've ever rinsed it before. I think the instructions total up to about 45 minutes of rinsing and some shampooing and rinsing some more and shampooing and rinsing some more, totaling to 45 minutes. So, and that's what I did. Okay, so now we're on to the bleaching. This was my least favorite part of the process because of all those YouTube videos where people's hair falls out. I just knew that I was going to be one of those people, and I was terrified. I never used the Color Oops and bleach, you know, all on the same day, or at least not that I remember, and so I was pretty scared. Anyway, so here I am bleaching my hair. You want to make sure and not bleach the roots because those are going to lighten up a lot faster, and so you can see me lightening, you know, the ends of my hair. I should have done smaller portions, and it obviously would go a lot better if you had somebody helping you, but you want to make sure that your hair is fully dry, and I'm using the 40 volume developer, which is pretty intense, and I'm using the Quick Blue. I'm scowling so much in this video as I'm watching it back. I promise you guys I'm not angry, well, sometimes, but I am squinting because I have a double astigmatism. My glasses like slide down, and so I'm looking over them and squinting, or if I don't wear my glasses, then I'm just squinting. So yeah, don't take it personally. So as I'm bleaching the hair, I keep checking back on it. I keep adding more bleach just to keep it from like drying out, and I was pretty scared at this point because I was really nervous my hair was gonna fall out. So I think a lot of like professionals would have just like put it on, left it alone, and you know, checked back after like 30 minutes or something. But I was just checking consistently the whole time, watching it like a hawk and checking to make sure that it wasn't getting stretchy. So I tried to like use my YouTuber wisdom from watching Brad Mondo videos, and I did my roots last. Woo!
Alright, this is after the first run through with the bleach. Hair feels like it's nice and healthy. My hair is always this frizzy and crazy looking, by the way. This is no different. I don't mind any of this orangeness because remember, I'm going for like a peachy pink, and so I don't mind any of these undertones that are going to be in it and stuff. And my husband's going to help me apply the bleach the second time.
Okay, but seriously, don't be afraid of the orange. Remember, if you're trying to go pink or blue or purple, that orange your hair just doesn't have to be platinum blonde to go those colors. Now, if you want like the really soft pastel stuff, then yeah, that's a whole different beast. I knew I was never going to get my hair platinum blonde without it falling out, so I was aiming for like bright orange. That was like a victory for me. Before you go, pick yourself up some like root touch-up dark powder stuff, and that will give you a really nice shadow root. You could use brow powder or a dark eyeshadow would work great too. That concludes this DIY tutorial. Bad example? You decide. Until next time, friends. See ya.